One life me ever me a live me life, you know. With the home day, party nice, you know. Under me vibes and the party nice. While them a pray for me demise. One life me ever me a live me life, you know. With the home day, party nice, you know. Under me vibes and the party nice. While them a watch me demise. Me no love man, and up your section. Fat pussy girl a give me the erection. Man so nice, I want me the tech pan. Hear them a talk about a thing, but that not relevant. Hit by my name. Tell them fi pay me. Nah, this some person want the energy for training. Straight vibes up, not real in nigga. Oh, yeah, me not ready fi go home, don't say so. One life me ever me a live me life, you know. With the home day, party ice, you know. Under me vibes and the party nice. While them a pray for me demise. One life me ever me a live me life, you know. With the home day, party ice, you know. Under me vibes and the party nice. While them a watch me demise. And a beat stainless. I'm a stepping at the bar, I'm a check priceless. Get a bad beach and bangers outlet. Chop a brick on my bitch, then tell us if he count it. Me show the money there. Every day like a motherfucking holiday. If my gun not coming out straight. If a boy live, I dish him up here. One life me ever me, I live me life, you know. With the home day, party nice, you know. Under me vibes and me party nice. While them a watch me demise. One life me ever me, I live me life, you know. With the home day, party nice, you know. Under me vibes and the party nice. Them a watch me demise. Come on, come on.
Welcome to the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shali, and I'm locked into this weekend drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
You know, rebellion, you know. I mean, I say I want you have an epic, you know. Welcome to the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.